Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the Chuck 70 Utility High. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the Chuck 70 Utility High, and we got this in the Storm Winds black colorway and the UK 9. It's a European 42.5 and it's a US 9 as well. Well, it should be the 1UP 10. And before we get into this, I just want to put a little preface that this is not my size, so I don't think we're going to do the on feet because they're not going to fit me. But we have done a sneaker that's similar to this, and I would use that for reference. I'll let you know once we get opening so I can, show the similarities between the two sneakers. Enough talking, let's get showing. So you got a Chuck Taylor All-Star box. It's a bigger box because it's a bigger sneaker. And it is bigger right here, as you can see right now. And the reason why I'm saying that this sneaker is very familiar is because we've done a review of the Kim Jones Chuck Taylor, and it's essentially, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is the same sneaker. For sizing, I'm gonna get into the sizing. Get your true to size Converse fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 when it comes to Converses. They come a bit, they are a bit tight fitting because of there's extra details in the sneaker. But other than that, I would go for that. For reference, check out our review of the Chuck Taylor Converse, so you can see all that sizing information in that video. I apologize, obviously these sneakers aren't my size, so I'll be lying to you if I'm talking to you about sizing about the sneaker. All that said, so again, sizing, used the Chuck Taylor Kim Jones as a reference. Again, the guys, I apologize, but we move on. So we'll start with the outsole for all these details. So you have a typical Chuck Taylor All-Star rubber outsole. It's iconic. Everyone knows what this Chuck Taylor Converse All-Star looks like. And obviously you got the size of the feet right there, Converse logo. Now it's the midsole where it gets interesting because you've got double protection for your feet. So it looks like you've got two midsoles essentially. You've got your normal Chuck Taylor 70s right here. Rubber all around with the extra guards. That's like the forefoot. At the back, you got the classic Chuck Taylor tab there. All-Star in the black. I've always preferred Chuck 70s than the general release. And then you've got this wavy rubber guard as well. Unfortunately, where is it? It's here on the right. It looks a bit scuffed, or that's badly glued, pretty badly glued on. It's a shame really, but yeah. So I do like what Converse are doing, like their Run Star hikes are very popular, and an aggressive midsole is the look for Converse at the minute, and it's proving to be very popular for the company as a whole. And yeah, I'm not mad at this. You can look at it. It's a lot of rubber though, right there, and it's like it's supported from if you look at the heel. So right there you got the first block of rubber, then second, third, and then it's like a fourth. The uppers made out of it's kind of split into two. So the main body of the sneaker is your organic canvas, typical Converse fashion. It's that 70s structure, but then just covering it is just like trying to do some rubber guard right there. It's like a cage, if you will, and it makes the lacing system as well right there. Rubber toe box. What else do you expect for a pair of Chuck Taylors? Converse All-Star logo on the medial side, iconic, and it's got an awful light insole. So that rounds off my review. Again, guys, to me, this is just a pair of the Kim Jones Chuck Taylors. I'm not going to try these on, unfortunately, because of, well, they're not my size. I'm a size 7.5. This is UK size 9, so obviously they're going to look massive on me. But for reference, please check out our Kim Jones Converse review. That's where you get an idea of the sizing. So we're just going to show you some B-roll footage of the sneaker, and I'm going to say my piece, so peace.